Imagination has led to some of the most powerful inventions and transformations in our world. Reimagine a world where every child is invested in, where their safety is guaranteed, where they know their future is limitless because we are carving a world of hope that leads to the reality of each child being educated, nurtured, encouraged, and cared for, and most of all, loved unconditionally. Our future should be inextricably woven with theirs, developing sound programs, policies, and interventions that tackle the most entrenched and difficult social inadequacies and injustices that darken the world of children, including child abuse, child labor, and exploitation. Our children are the world's most valuable resources, and today is a day to not only reimagine a beautiful world for every child, but to take another step in our journey to create a better future for them as we observe World Children's Day. The Ministry's Child Care Protection Agency plays an integral role in the development of a child's life from childhood to adolescence. Our programs and policies are designed and aligned with the core principles of the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child. Children's rights include the right to health, education, family life, play and recreation, an adequate standard of living, and to be protected from abuse and harm. Children's rights cover their developmental and age-appropriate needs that change over time as they grow. Our ministry's mission involves creating safety net systems for children to prevent unnecessary separation from their parents and to create safe spaces or find loving homes when they are. For the over 400 children in state care, the newly constituted board is working tirelessly to assist the ministry in the process of finding suitable, stable, and safe homes for them to ensure a promising life. Every child should have a caring and loving family. Unfortunately, some of the socio-economic issues affecting family life have resulted in numerous cases of neglect and more worrying issues affecting our children. Conscious of the very urgent attention required to address these matters, our team is working assiduously to bring relief to the boys and girls enduring these sad circumstances. Our positive parenting program has helped 1,300 parents countrywide to improve their parenting skills, allowing them to reunite with their child or children who were removed from their care due to maltreatment and neglect. Education is the most powerful tool to help parents and children. We work with families to strengthen their support system through our Family Enhancement Program, which deals with disruptive youth and adolescents. Over 500 teenagers, male and female, from the 10 administrative regions participated in the Teen Pregnancy Prevention and Empowerment Program. The drive to get teenage mothers back to school has been consistent. A better world for our children would be bereft without education. Under the ministry's ongoing A Back to Basic Toddlers Reading Program, over 4,000 preschoolers have learned to read on the laps of their parents. Our thrust to encourage reading and to improve literacy at that age. Child care while their parents are at work is vital. The ministry monitors over 300 licensed child care facilities countrywide to ensure adherence to basic child care rights. 180 care providers were exposed to early childhood training coordinated by the ministry and its international partners. We are committed to the inherent rights of every boy and girl. To ensure their continuous protection and welfare, we've collaborated with a number of advocacy groups to establish child advocacy centers in 7 of 10 regions. These centers utilize forensic interviewers to record child sexual abuse victims' accounts and provide services to help them cope after trauma. 2 additional centers will become operational in Region 6 this year. Investing in the future of our boys and girls mandates that we hear their voices and see the future that they envision for themselves. We're privileged to be able to make their dreams a reality, to be a part of shaping their future where they're not confined by limitations. Before the end of the year, approximately 30 boys and girls will be part of the ministry's new Influencers and Shapers program. The perspectives of these children will be incorporated into program development, and they will strategically engage their peers in a movement to counter social ills. The global COVID-19 pandemic has made 2020 a difficult year for children and young people, restricting social interactions, impeding learning, and opening them to many social ills. This year has given us time to pause and think about the lives of our future generation and how we can help them to bounce back from the intrusion into their life and development. Our mission will be unfaltering to implement and deliver creative, impactful programs, policies, and legislation that will reimagine and craft a better world for our children.